Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to find lost AirPod or any other content related on Apple. You can find out very easily your Mac, mobile, iPad, AirPod or Apple Watch using this feature. So how to use it and how to find out, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply search here, find my, click. The application is open here. You always allow this one, turn on, okay. So now all information is activate here. So look at this here. I log in my email address on 5 to 6 devices of Apple product, and look at this here. All and each and every product are showing here of distance. So suppose for example iPhone 13 Pro Max with you means I am accessing this information, Apple 13 Pro Max. Sync is my laptop, it's very near of my computer system. So like this is my laptop, very easy, very near. Apple Watch also in same available on my house. If your device, if you are missing somewhere else, so here automatically the application are showing your device distance related information, and then you click here and look at this here, play sound, find nearby me, or announcement if you are missing your product. So the application are providing you notification. Look at this, where exactly my AirPod is available. Even the address also coming here, Brandon Alley 22H 2610 Rolova. Find, searching for signal connecting the AirPod. Try to move different location. Using this application you can very easily find out where exactly available on your devices of AirPod, Apple laptop or Apple phone or Apple Watch. It's very simple to track your device related on Apple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.